A comparative analysis of Fallout video game series quests and storylines in each game. The Fallout series, a timeless tale of nuclear devastation, science fiction, and adventure that has captivated gamers for decades. But what makes the quests and storylines of each Fallout game so unique? And how do they hold up against one another? Today, we are going to embark on a comparative analysis of the Fallout series' most iconic, from the Vault Dwellers' heroic endeavors in the original Fallout, to the Vault Tech Initiate's morally ambiguous journey in Fallout 4. Let's start with the source material, Fallout 1 and Fallout 2. These classic episodes set the stage for the series, introducing us to the world of vaults, red scorpions, and Pip-Boy wristwatches. In Fallout 1, the quest to free California from the Enclave's tyrannical grip is a masterclass in narrative simplicity. Your character, the Vault Dweller, must navigate a linear narrative, making tough choices that impact the fate of the entire region. Meanwhile, Fallout 2 expands on this concept with its branching storylines and expanded character customization options. Fast forward to Fallout 3, where the series takes a massive leap forward in terms of scope and ambition. Set in a post-apocalyptic Washington, D.C., the game's narrative follows the origins of the Brotherhood of Steel and the exploits of the Lone Wanderer. One of the standout features of Fallout 3 is the main quest, which expertly juggles multiple protagonists and narratives to create a sense of cohesion and urgency. Fallout New Vegas, developed by Obsidian Entertainment, takes a bold approach to storytelling by exploring the intersection of human conflict, post-war rebuilding, and corporate power. The game's narrative centers around Caesar's Legion, the NCR, and Mr. House, each vying for control of the Mojave Desert. By creating a web of complex alliances and power struggles, New Vegas expertly showcases the Fallout series' ability to tackle real-world themes in a fictional setting. And finally, we come to Fallout 4, set in a ravaged Boston. This installment takes a radical approach to storytelling by anchoring the narrative around the player's character, discovering key events and key people as they journey through the Commonwealth. However, this deconstruction of the episodic structure receives criticism for failing to create a truly emotional investment in the quest. A deeper dive into Fallout 76, Bethesda's take on the multiplayer ethos, reveals an ambitious but ultimately flawed narrative that struggled to stay true to the series' rich world building. Shifting the focus from a lone protagonist to a shared, disconnected world created a sense of unity, but ultimately limited the player's direct connection to the plot. Now, let's talk character development in the series. Take, for example, the iconic protagonists of the franchise. In Fallout 1 and 2, your character is chosen for their potential to survive in the harsh post-nuclear world, whereas Fallout 3 introduces the Agatha Christie-esque premise that the player's character is actually a genetically engineered lone wanderer. Each game provides new layers to this mysterious layer by weaving complex backstory and character dynamics into the narrative. These changes highlight the series' flexibility and willingness to experiment with established tropes. The quests in each Fallout game are more than just linear progression narratives, as they are an embodied representation of the developers' attempts to offer diverse, thought-provoking storylines that elevate the series. The diverse methods applied by the series across its various games forge a range of character, emotional investment, and emphasize the series' inherent ability to morph in content and depth as it evolves.